Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. You typically pay only for cloud services you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. Cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way businesses think about IT resources. Here are common reasons organizations are turning to cloud computing services. First, there is the cost. Moving to the cloud helps companies optimize IT costs. In global scale, the benefits of cloud computing services include the ability to scale elastically. As for reliability, cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. There is also the speed. Why speed? Because most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on-demand, so even vast amounts of computing resources can be provisioned in minutes, typically with just a few mouse clicks, giving businesses a lot of flexibility and taking the pressure off capacity planning. Cloud computing removes the need for many of these tasks, so IT teams can spend time on achieving more important business goals. There is performance increase. The biggest cloud computing services run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. The benefit listed. What are the characteristics of cloud computing? They are as follows: on-demand self-services. The cloud computing services does not require any human administrators. Users themselves are able to provision, monitor, and manage computing resources as needed. Broad network access. The computing services are generally provided over standard networks and heterogeneous devices. Rapid elasticity. The computing services should have IT resources that are able to scale out and in quickly and on as needed basis. Whenever the user requires services, it is provided to him and it is scale out as soon as its requirement gets over. Resource pooling. The IT resource, e.g., networks, servers, storage, applications, and services present are shared across multiple applications and occupant in an uncommitted manner. Multiple clients are provided service from a same physical resource. Measured service. The resource utilization is tracked for each application and occupant. It will provide both the user and the resource provider with an account of what has been used. This is done for various reasons like monitoring billing and effective use of resource. As effective as cloud computing is, there is a limit to how it can operate in a business. Downtime. Downtime is often cited as one of the biggest cloud computing disadvantages. Since cloud computing systems are internet-based, service outages are always an unfortunate possibility and can occur for any reason. Technical problem. Using cloud computing, you have to depend on customer care. Because if you face some technical problem that you cannot manage, then you have to contact customer care. Data mobility. Data mobility enables us to share the data between various cloud services. If you decide one day to end your cloud computing subscription, there may still be local storage from where your data can get used anytime. Risk of data confidentiality. There are also some issues regarding data confidentiality or risk on your data. Thus, the cloud protection must secure confidentiality depends on the internet connection. Cloud computing fully depends on the internet connection. Whenever you have a disturbance in the network connection, you cannot access the cloud. It is an obstacle to access the machine remotely.